All right, so this is an incline rolling plank on the wall. The key here is rather than me taking my arm across my body, I want to be in a loaded position. So I don't want to sink into my arm. I want to be active and engaged in pushing my body away from the wall. And I'm pivoting and rolling my body around the fixed arm. So my shoulder blade and my torso are moving around my arm. I'm simply just pivoting on my toes, all while I'm still leaning forward. As I'm doing this, I'm not standing up. There has to be pressure, constant pressure in the arm, and you're basically just gonna spin around this for high reps, 20, 30, and sometimes not even 50 reps to just really work on ungluing that shoulder capsule, which is basically, instead of moving the arm around the body, we're moving the whole body around the arm.